Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everybody doing today? All right, my loves, today we're going to be making a fall inspired banner. I wanted to create a really fun banner to add by my bookcases, and I wanted to use some natural elements, and so I created this really simple but really beautiful banner that you can add really anywhere you want at home, using natural ingredients, like natural things that you must. I'm pretty sure that half of the stuff that we're going to use in this project you probably already have at home. If you don't have it at home, you can always find it like in natural areas like parks or like a forest. You can probably come across a park that has, you know, leaves. You can pick leaves up, you can pick pine cones up, you can pick up some branches. Whatever it is that you want to use in your project, you can actually add in this really fun banner that we're going to create. I also wanted to make it very natural, with natural elements, and I also love the way it smells. Like, I'm using all these beautiful spices, and it just gives you like that fall scent, that really delicious fall scent. So I have my banner already completed. I already finished doing my banner, but I want to show you guys how I did it. We have two little parts that we have to create. The first one is the little clippy that you can clip on to whatever kind of twine or lace or whatever it is that you want to use to hold your little embellishment together with. I use this gorgeous like orangey twine that I got at Michael's, but you can really use anything you want. So the clippy that we're going to create is very simple. We're using natural elements again. Same thing with the beautiful embellishment that I'm using Cupcake Liners for. We also have natural elements in here. I just thought this was really beautiful. I love the way it turned out. It's so rustic looking, so just very like fall inspired, and it just smells amazing. Okay, so first, we're gonna do the little clip. Very simple. For my clips, these are all dry herbs and spices. I like to buy them sometimes at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Even Michael's has these sometimes. And you could get these little bundles with like all these dry apples and lemons and just a whole bunch of stuff in here. You can also do yourself some of these things. I mean, you can I dry a lot of my oranges and my lemons myself. These are the ones that I've done myself. You can also do that yourself. It takes a little bit longer, but you could do it if you really want to. These oranges that you see here are the ones that I have actually dried up myself for a while, and I've been wanting to do this project for a while, so I was kind of preparing myself as it came closer to fall. Okay, so I'm going to use a lemon from this little bundle that I have here to create my little clippy, okay? You're also going to use some kind of clothespins, clothespins, so you can use it as a little clip to clip onto your twine or ribbon or lace, whatever you have. So I have my lemon here. You're also going to be using some star anise. If you could find the whole one, is perfect. We're going to be using little pieces of this. So we need a whole star anise, and we also need another one, and we're going to tear into little pieces. I have here two of these little pieces that I'm going to use for my lemon, okay? And we're also going to use some wonderful Allspice, okay? I have here two that I'm going to use right there. The Allspice. It smells amazing. All right. We're also going to use some cloves. I have here 2 cloves that we're also going to use. And we're going to put these together. We're just going to glue them down to our lemon. Okay. So let's do that right now. And that literally is all we're going to do for the little clippy that we're going to complete with the other embellishment. So I have my hot glue here. Start assembling this however you want. I'm going to put my star anise little chippy right here. And I'm going to put this one on the other side. Okay. Then I'm going to glue my old spice. And this is a hole. It's not, it's an actual, hold on. Let me glue this down and show you. It's actually a hole. See? They come in a hole like that. And then we're going to glue 2 of these, which smells amazing, wherever you want. And you don't have to use these particular spices. You can use whatever spice you want, okay? So you can use more, you can use less. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to use, I'm going to put these cloves, which smells amazing, right in this area right here. And I'm going to put my second clove right in this area right there. Okay, and that's how we complete our little embellishment for our clothespin. Super, super easy. See that? How cute that looks? And it smells, oh my God, it smells amazing. And now all we gotta do is hot glue this to our little clippy so that we can clip it onto our banner when we're ready. So I'm going to add some hot glue to over here. And I'm going to add my little lemon right over it. Hold on to it for a few seconds. And we have this completed, okay? We're gonna put this on the side because now we're going to work on our cupcake liner embellishment, which is like this. Very pretty, right? So what we're gonna use for this, we're going to use a cupcake liner. I'm using these beautiful cupcake liners that are very fall inspired. I got this at the Dollar Tree. You can use any cupcake liners that you want, but I thought because fall, it's super duper appropriate and it just looks amazing. So I'm going to use one of these. And then I'm going to use another smaller one, which is this really tanny, like brown color. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half, like I always do with all my cupcake embellishments. All right. And then we're going to fold this one also in half. All right, and you're gonna get a nice little embellishment like this. See that? So what we're gonna do now is we're going to just basically glue down, okay, this little one onto the big one. All right, we're gonna glue it down first. Generous amount of hot glue, and be very careful because it's super duper hot. Okay, gonna glue that down. All right, and you can just literally just keep it like that if you want, or you can just add, you know, a simple decoration. Literally, you can just add like a nice dry lemon or orange in the middle of this decoration, and already it looks beautiful just like that, right? So you can really just play around with this and add anything that you want. Okay, what I'm going to add to my banner, which I absolutely love the way it turned out, I'm going to add a, we're going to add a small little pine cones. I got these again at the Dollar Tree, but you can always get these at the park if you want, or at a forest. But I got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna add one little pine cone. We're going to add some cinnamon, okay? Sticks of cinnamon to our embellishment. I have here some cinnamon that I chopped up in half. We're going to add those in here. And then we're going to add, where did my cloves? Oh no. Yeah, let me move this out of the way. Oh gosh, I can't find. Oh, here it is. And we're going to add the star anise, a whole one. Try to keep one. Try to find one that's like really in whole state, like all, you know, put together. Some of them are broken. It's kind of hard to find one that's kind of like all like, you know, not broken or not chipped. But if you know, if you could find one that's whole, it's perfect, right? If you can't, it's okay also. So we're gonna just basically build this together. Another thing I'm gonna use is these dry apples that I got from my little bundle right here, okay? So I'm gonna use this dry apple. We're going to hot glue the dry apple first on the back of our cupcake liner. Okay. And then we're going to add the cinnamon stick. All right. All right. We're going to add the cinnamon stick wherever you want. Doesn't really matter where, okay? Wherever you want. I'm going to add my cinnamon stick. I love the way this smells. Oh my God. The aroma that comes out of this banner is incredible. Okay, so I'm going to add my cinnamon stick right in the little corner of my little embellishment. And then I'm going to add my little pine cone roughly right in the side. Okay. And then the last thing we're going to add is our star anise right in this center right here. You're going to have to play around with it because sometimes it doesn't fit. Sometimes you have to make sure you put it in the right position. See that position right there looks good to me. See that right there. So I'm going to add my hot glue right here. Very generous amount. And then we're going to play around with it and see where we're going to put this. Okay, let's see. I think that's good right there. Okay, just hold on to it for a little bit. Give it a little bit of pressure so it can glue down to the apple. And we're literally done. And you have just created yourself a really beautiful little embellishment that you can add to your banner. I'm going to add it again. I have a bookcase that is in my hallway. When I come in, I'm going to actually add this on my bookcases. And as I'm walking into my home, I can absolutely smell this beautiful aroma, which I think is going to be amazing. And I think it's going to be really, really pretty. I might just give you guys a little sneak peek of how it looks. So this is how we create this really fun, adorable little banner that is fall inspired using all these beautiful elements that are all natural, yeah? And so beautiful. I love this. So all you have to do is literally just grab your twine or ribbon or whatever it is that you're using and just add your embellishment to it. Okay, so my embellishment is going to be added right in this end right here. All I gotta do is literally just attach this to this over here. Boom. And then you have a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous banner that you can decorate for the fall. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so gorgeous. Look at that. I can't wait to hang this up. All right, my loves. I hope that this gives you some inspiration so you can decorate your home for the fall. All right, let me know what you guys think about this really beautiful banner. I cannot tell you, it smells incredible. It smells so delicious. I cannot even tell you. You can also add some essential oils if you want, or you can also sprinkle in some glitter to give it a little bit of some nice little glittery look to it if you want. You can do so many things, so many things with this. I love it. I think it turned out really beautiful. All right, let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys on my next video. Thumbs up and subscribe.